Hello, everyone. I'm Joseph Geraputo, the publisher and editorial director of Global Finance. I hope you're all staying healthy and safe during this unprecedented experience. Today, we will announce the winners of Global Finance's 18th annual Best Sub-Custodian Bank Awards. In the past, this would have been done via a press release. We are excited you're with us for the first ever virtual announcement of these awards. 2 months ago, we issued a call for entries. Interest in these awards has not been diminished by the pandemic. In fact, we received more entries this year than we did in pre-COVID-19 times. I'd like to introduce Global Finance's editor, Andrea Fiano, who, along with contributing editor Gordon Platt, led the evaluation team for these awards. Andrea will describe the methodology we used to select the winners. I'll then return and announce all of the award winners. Here's Andrea.
Thank you, Joe. Global Finance editors, with input from expert sources, selected the winners for the Best Sub-custodian Bank Awards using entries provided by banks, as well as independent research based on a set of objective and subjective factors. It was not necessary to enter in order to win, but experience shows that the additional information supplied in an entry can increase the chances of success. In many cases, entrants are able to provide details and insights that may not be readily available to the editors. Judgments were based on performance over the calendar year 2019. We applied an algorithm to shorten the list of contenders and arrived at a numerical score, with 100 equivalent to perfection. The proprietary algorithm incorporates criteria weighted for relative importance, including knowledge of local condition and customer needs, financial strength, and safety.
Thank you, Andrea. The Global Finance Sub-Custodian Bank Awards recognize excellence in providing top-notch security services to global clients, designed with deep market knowledge and executed through innovative technology. These institutions are leaders in safe and efficient solutions and sage advice. Today's awards will be announced in two groups. The first will be for Best Sub-custodian Banks in 82 countries. We will announce these within regions. The second group will be for the top sub-custodian bank in 7 regions. I advise any country winners to stay on the call to learn if you are also a regional winner. Here are this year's choices for the best sub-custodian banks in 82 countries. In North America, the winner in Canada is CIBC Mellon. In Mexico, the winner is Citibanamex. And in the United States, the winner is Citi. The winners in Western Europe are as follows. In Austria, UniCredit Bank Austria. In Belgium, BNP Paribas. In Cyprus, Bank of Cyprus. In Denmark, Nordea. In Finland, again, Nordea. In France, Société Générale. In Germany, Commerzbank. In Greece, Eurobank Ergasius. In Iceland, Icelandsbanki. In Ireland, BNP Paribas. In Italy, Intesa Sanpaolo. In Luxembourg and Netherlands, BNP Paribas. In Norway, Handelsbanken. In Portugal, Novo Banco. In Spain, BBVA. In Sweden, SEB. In Switzerland, Credit Suisse. In Turkey, TEB. And in the United Kingdom, HSBC. Now here are the winners in Central and Eastern Europe. In Armenia, Arat Bank. In Bulgaria, Unicredit Bullbank. In Croatia, OTP Croatia. In the Czech Republic, CSOB. In Estonia, SEB. In Georgia, Bank of Georgia. In Hungary, Unicredit Bank Hungary. In Latvia and Lithuania, SEB. In Poland, Bank Pekao. In Romania, BRD Group Societe Generale. In Russia, SGSS Russia, Rosbank. In Serbia, Unicredit Bank Serbia. In Slovakia, CSOB. And in Slovenia, the last country in Central and Eastern Europe, Unicredit Bank Slovenia. Now, moving on to Latin America. The winner in Argentina is Citi. The winner in Brazil is Itaú Unibanco. The winner in Chile is Banco de Chile. The winner in Colombia is Citi. The winner in Paraguay is Banco Itaú Paraguay. The winner in Peru is Citi. The winner in Uruguay is Banco Itaú Uruguay. That concludes the winners in Latin America. Now for the winners in the Asia Pacific. In Australia, National Australia Bank. In China, Agricultural Bank of China. In Hong Kong, Standard Chartered. In India, ICICI. In Indonesia, DBS. In Japan, MUFG. In Kazakhstan, Citi. In Malaysia, Standard Chartered. In Mongolia, Conbank. In New Zealand, HSBC. In Pakistan and the Philippines, Standard Chartered. In Singapore, DBS. In South Korea, Hana. In Sri Lanka, Hatton National. In Taiwan, CTBC. In Thailand, Bangkok Bank. And in Vietnam, Standard Chartered. Now moving on to the Middle East. The winner in Bahrain, Standard Chartered. In Egypt, Banque de Caire. In Israel, Bank Leumi. In Jordan, Standard Chartered. In Kuwait, HSBC. In Oman, Standard Chartered. In Qatar, HSBC. In Saudi Arabia, HSBC Saudi Arabia. In United Arab Emirates, First Abu Dhabi Bank. And now for the final region, Africa. The winner in Côte d'Ivoire, Société Générale Côte d'Ivoire. In Ghana, Stanbic Bank Ghana. In Kenya, Standard Chartered. In Mauritius, HSBC. In Morocco, Société Générale Morocco. In Mozambique, Standard Bank Mozambique. In Namibia, Standard Bank Namibia. In Nigeria, Stanbic IBTC Bank. In South Africa, Nedbank. And in Tunisia, BIAT. And that concludes the winners of our country awards. Now, here are Global Finance's selections for the best sub-custodian banks in 7 regions. In North America, the winner is CIBC Mellon. CIBC Mellon is a 50-50 joint venture between BNY Mellon and CIBC, focused on the needs of Canadian investors and global investors whose clients invest in Canada. The operations and technology platform provided by BNY Mellon, one of the world's largest custodians, allows CIBC Mellon to benefit from economies of scale and service not available to its domestic competitors. The company is an example of strong risk management, deep understanding of local conditions, and outstanding client service. The winner in Latin America is Citi. Citi provides asset servicing and transaction functions in 7 Latin American markets, where it has a leading market share of custody for foreign investors. The bank introduced several service enhancements in 2019, including a change in SWIFT messages in Chile and Peru to facilitate clients' cash reconciliation. Citibanamex automated the ability to process tax credits for corporate bonds in Mexico. The winner in Western Europe is Société Générale. Société Générale Security Services provides a wide range of solutions and innovative, value-added services that enable clients to manage their operations efficiently and meet changing regulatory requirements. Société Générale is a leading participant in the security services markets across Europe. It offers a high level of market expertise with focus on asset safety. Société Générale is a strong voice for clients in the markets where it operates. In Central and Eastern Europe, the winner is UniCredit. UniCredit is the market leader for security services in Austria and the CEE region. The bank has on-the-ground experts in security services in the 11 CEE countries where it has majority-owned subsidiaries. UniCredit continues to invest in its hub product with a single point of entry in Vienna. UniCredit Bank Austria has the largest, most experienced custody team in the market. The winner in the Asia Pacific is DBS. DBS innovated both digitally and traditionally to provide the best value and services to clients. It launched Ideal Securities, an online banking platform for approving and executing trades, monitoring post-trade settlement activities, and generating reports. DBS also lobbied successfully for market infrastructure enhancements. The bank has a dominant market share in Singapore and has significantly grown in its presence in India, Hong Kong, and Indonesia. The Middle East, Standard Chartered. Standard Chartered has expanded its security services presence in the Middle East. Last year, it won cabinet approval to open a branch in Saudi Arabia, where it has a capital market subsidiary since 2009. The bank launched an Islamic custody service out of the Dubai International Financial Center in 2019 and entered the Abu Dhabi global market. Standard Chartered also offers security services through branches in Bahrain, Jordan, Oman, and Qatar. The winner in Africa is Standard Bank. Standard Bank, Africa's largest banking group, has been active in security services since 1887 when the Johannesburg Stock Exchange was formed. It has built a well-diversified client business attracted by its broad product range and professional expertise. Standard Bank offers security services in 16 countries in sub-Saharan Africa. It has worked actively with regulators to bring securities lending to Nigeria and derivatives clearing to Kenya. Congratulations to all of the winners. What happens next? Well, first, we hope that all of the winners will celebrate virtually with their colleagues. Global Finance will put out a press release and include all who registered for this announcement in its distribution. You can access it on our website, gfmag.com. The release will contain all of the information we discussed today. You will also be able to view this video announcement on GFMag's YouTube channel. Of course, Global Finance will publish the winners and supporting editorial content in the July-August issue of Global Finance magazine and on its website, GFMag, and in a digital edition that will be available for the duration of the pandemic. As many of you are aware, it has been our recent practice to conduct an awards ceremony for the best sub-custody bank winners during the annual Sibos conference, most recently atop the Gherkin in London. Unfortunately, this year's live Sibos conference planned for Boston has been canceled, along with our awards ceremony. We are still exploring what, if any, recognition events, live or virtual, may be practical and will keep winners informed. For all of the winners, these awards offer a number of other opportunities as well. Awards, properly used, enhance employee morale, aid recruitment, and in many cases present marketing and sales opportunities. Most of Global Finance's readers are at non-financial companies and are decision makers for their employees' pension funds. These awards give sub-custodians the opportunity to be seen past global custodians directly by employee pension fund managers who can influence decisions on which sub-custodians will service their needs. And of course, there are personal benefits. Throughout the years, Global Finance's awards have given a strong boost to the careers of many of the people who have positioned their colleagues and their banks to be winners. We are here to assist you with all of these opportunities, including use of the awards logos. I urge anyone interested in using any Global Finance logos to consult with us first. We also have print, digital, and social marketing tools available to magnify the impact of your award. You can contact either of the two people listed on your screen now. That's it. Goodbye from Global Finance. Congratulations to everyone, and stay well.